Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.